So in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate on how to have a scrolling text at the bottom or at the top of your streaming area using Streamlabs. So without further ado, let's get down directly to the tutorial. So on the sources panel, click the plus icon, then click the text GDI. So the text GDI allows you to add text. So you name that one as announcement because we want to announce something. Click add source there. So let's have welcome to the stream. I'm going to use a Google font of Montserrat. Then selecting and bold. Then click done. So we move this text down below there. So you have the text already, but the question is how to have a scrolling one from right to left. Since we read left to right, we read as welcome to the stream. We want to appear that scroll starting from the left so that once we see the scrolling, we can read the words directly. So how? So click on the announcement source, right click that one, click filters. When you click the filters, add the plus again. The filter type should be scroll. Then click done. Then you can adjust the horizontal speed, but I think we should settle with the 60. If 60 is too fast for you, we can go for around 50. Or click on the box, type 50. Now as you have seen, the stream exclamation point and the welcome word is shown as a one word. So how to have is spacing for that. So but first you can adjust the scrolling, click done. Now you can see it here that it is already scrolling, but what if you want to scroll from the edge of the screen? So you click the announcement, no, drag this all the way to the left bottom of the area, right click that one, go to properties and then add some spaces. So this depends on how length or how many words you used in the text. So we want to expand this from left to right, so copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, and that one. If it is too long, that would be sufficient. But what if you want to add some background there? So scroll down, then you can adjust the opacity of the background until 100% until it turns black. Then go for 60 there. It's great. So click done. So you can see you have the scrolling, and then we can adjust this one to the left, this edgy there, where you have it. So you have that scrolling text from right to left.